Hello and welcome to Arm4 Creations. My name is Ashley and today I will be showing you how to edit the rainbow unicorn topper from my Etsy shop. So after you purchase the template, you will receive an email from the platform Templett. It will give you access to your toppers. So on the left hand side, click Templates, and when it populates you will only see the item that you purchased. The images and the size of the topper is locked, but the text can be edited. So if you want to change the size or the color, you can by clicking the appropriate box at the top. So once you are happy with your topper, you can click Save and then Download. Templett will offer you three formats to save it in: PDF, JPEG, or PNG. I personally like PDF. So once you click the PDF, it will ask you additional questions. I suggest clicking trim marks so you can see where to cut, and also clicking Save Paper option so you can print more than one sticker. So after you create your PDF, a green box will appear. Click Download. Your file will download and more than likely save into your Downloads folder. And this is what your PDF will look like. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel and have a great day.